Okay, here's a real quick video showing the mesh repair tool. I'm going to put in this model that has T-splines. It has a couple different surfaces that overlap that actually wouldn't even boolean together if you tried, because they have too many matched up surfaces, and just a kind of a big model here. You would have to boolean difference where all the stones are. I am not going to do that right now. That is the one thing that it will not do, but it'll take all of these surfaces and poly surfaces and just put it into one big mesh. So let's hit it here. It's in the tool menu, mesh repair, pick objects. We're going to pick them all, and then these things do have some significance. The mesh tolerance is a big one. If you have a really big file and you want to make it a little smaller, or wherever you like to be, you can change that. But I'm going to leave it at 0.002. This millgrain optimization is awesome. What it'll do is it'll take any perfect sphere under a millimeter and it will mesh it differently. So I'm just going to hit enter. And it's going to go through its routines here. Let's see how long this takes. It can take quite a bit of time depending on the model. A couple minutes, up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm going to hit pause since it seems to be stalling, and we're at 1:35 right now. Okay, so that took 3 minutes maybe. Here we get this window that comes up. It's you check mesh. And basically it's going to tell you that it's a good mesh. You can go through and check for naked edges and all that stuff, but pretty much it's been spot on every time. So what you get in the end, let's get in there and get that mesh, is one unified mesh. Let's export it. There's an STL. Let's call this test. Open up NetFab. Let's pull this file in. Oh, it's not done loading. It's transferring that file over network, so it takes a minute. There, it's done. Okay, let's see how big it is. 32 meg, not too bad. That would have been a huge file with all that millgrain. And you can see it's one shell. And that's it. What it does is it takes the millgrain and it uses a slightly lower resolution that shouldn't show up in the printer. But you can see a little faceting when I really zoom in. But zooming out, obviously, it's not even going to be recognizable as faceted. That's it. Thanks.